Sweet Universe, a heaven for candy lovers. A one-stop shop for all your sweet tooth cravings. A universe of happiness for young and the young at heart. Sweet Universe offers a range of dream candies and chocolates for soul satisfaction. Delicious mouth-watering delights to pamper your taste buds. Eye-pleasing textures and mesmerizing colors to excite you. These lovely sweet and sour treats are FSSAI certified and made only from natural colors and 100% vegan vegetarian ingredients. So, when you buy from Sweet Universe, you are buying peace of mind. Our clear food-grade acrylic bins, big vaping concept and high hygiene standards are some of the key features why our products are loved the world over. Evolute International, the parent company of Sweet Universe, is engrossed in sourcing these premium candies and chocolates from renowned manufacturers in Europe. Sweet Universe is already having presence in Northern India and looking to expand to Pan-India in the coming months.
In today's scenario, Sweet Universe offers a very promising and a lucrative business of candies in Indian market. We have a plan of opening up approximately 50 franchises across India in 2021. We also have a plan of opening up 20 franchises within neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, etc. within 2021.
Franchise plan. Currently, the company is offering 2 franchise plans to distribute its products in India. Sale through kiosk. We are offering 2 kinds of kiosks. King size kiosk. The king size kiosk requires 10 feet by 6 feet of space and a startup capital of 6.5 lakhs only. Return on investment for king size kiosk is 180% per annum. This initial investment includes the Sweet Universe franchise fee, cost of Sweet Universe kiosk structure and opening stock of saleable items. If you have a budget constraint or a space constraint, then don't be discouraged. We offer premium kiosk which requires startup capital of 1.5 lakhs only and a space of only 5 feet by 4 feet. Return on investment for premium kiosk is 87% per annum.
We have tied up with Sweet Universe from Evolute International for the franchisee of 100% vegan, that is 100% vegetarian candies and chocolates. The demand of these candies is increasing day by day. And we are noticing that not only children but youngsters as well as adults love these candies. And we are very happy with Sweet Universe.
हमारे इस स्वीट यूनिवर्स क्रॉस को ग्रेट नोएडा बीटा फर्स्ट में 1 साल हो गया और हमारे इस कैंडीज़ को बच्चे और बड़े दोनों ही पसंद करते हैं और हमें इस बिज़नेस में अच्छा मुनाफा हो रहा है और हम आगे इस बिज़नेस को बढ़ाते रहेंगे और नई नई कैंडीज़ वगैरह लाते रहेंगे.
Along with our kiosk marketing plan, we are also targeting premium segment like 5-star hotels, premium highway restaurants and modern trades for bulk sale of our Sweet Universe candies and chocolates. Key benefits for malls. 100% vegan products leads to higher footfall. All these products are sourced from renowned manufacturers in Europe. Gives the outlet an international appeal. No gelatin or beef extracts used, hence safe for kids as well as adults. Natural colors with no artificial additives, hence safe for consumption. Select choice of sugar-free range, catering to geriatric population. One price concept, pick, weigh and pay as you go, leads to ease of shopping. Attractive, colorful displays forces impulse buying. strict hygiene controls builds customer confidence. Superior customer service builds company goodwill.
Evolute International has ventured into candies and chocolate market, which has great potential in India. We offer 100% vegan products which are loved by children as well as adults.
Sweet Universe franchise plan offers you a unique opportunity to jump onto the bandwagon by becoming its franchise owner and snatch your share of the lucrative candies market before it is captured by someone else. For franchise inquiry, please contact Evolute International, Head Office, 605, 5th floor, Shoprix Mall, Sector 5, Vaishali, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh 201010, India. Phones 0120 433 0024. Email info@sweetuniverse.in. Website www.sweetuniverse.in.